Hello everybody, this is Sonia. Oh dear, I am so sorry, Tamera. I opened your parcel, get halfway through it, looked up, camera not going. I thought, why is it switched off? What's the matter? I've charged it, I've got plenty of room. And it showed me that I had not even been taping it. Oh dear. And I looked at this and then I see that. So, this is absolutely gorgeous. Thank you so much. She had this package in this really nice bag. I just put it back in there because I was actually putting it back to put it away. But then I looked at what was in this other bag. And then I looked up and thought, oh, this is not working. What is wrong with this? Sonia didn't turn it on. I'm so sorry for that. But this is the beautiful tag that Tamera sent me. And it's in this nice little packet that I really, really, really wanted some of these so bad. And you did send me some in this other bag. Oh dear, thank you so much. Anyway, so we'll show you this one, and it's got the packet that it's in is absolutely amazing. She's done a very nice job of doing this. You know, she's put fabric down there and lace and sewn a little tiny. There's a tiny little where's this camera thing? There's a tiny little leaf coming up a vine here. Like she's got an interesting sewing pattern going up there, and then she's got this zigzag sort of pattern there, and so she's done that on the machine. And then she's got this nice piece of doily and a butterfly, and there's a birdie down there in his cage, and then she's got this lovely tag hanging on here, and he's got a dragonfly on it, which I do love dragonflies, and that's really pretty paper, isn't it? And these really nice beads she's got hanging on here. Look at that. Isn't that neat? And we've got all that on there with a pin. And now this is the tag, and there's one of the Tim Holtz doll things. I think that's what that is. Looks like, so I've got some in a tin up there, and I think it's in that. She's done this nice spotty one, and then she's sewn up this flower here, and we've got a little bit of looks like a really vintage piece of doily there, and it's got a tag. I mean a little little lace bit of trim to hold on. Okay, I can't believe I did this. I'm so sorry. I made a mess of it. Anyway, so on the back there's a part there that she's put on for a pocket, and that's nice birdie, and there's some nice flowers on that one, and there's her information on the back of there. And she has, don't think she's got a YouTube channel, but because I'm not seeing, she didn't write down that she did have. So that's really beautiful, Tamera. I really, really like that. Thank you so much for that. And then there's the nice bird. I want to put this back on here like this because I want to use. I'm going to put this in the book on your page when I make it a page in my book, okay? And this is going to be. This is the top of her bag, and I really love that. She's got, attention to detail is very nice, very nice. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. And then when I opened this, which was just a few seconds ago, or minutes ago, first thing I seen, which wasn't actually on the top, but was these packets after. Oh, I wanted some of these packets so bad, Tamera. Thank you so much. I seen these on Suzanne's channel, and she is. Oh dear, I must put that up there. I'm sorry. She did a tag competition too, but I wanted one of these, and these are seed packets, and I have been searching and searching for these, and I can't find library things either. That goes in the front of your library things, the pockets. I don't know if I'm typing in the wrong thing or not, but these are awesome. I do love these. Thank you so much. I just love them. Oh dear, I can't wait to play with one of them. Thank you so much. And look at this. I've never ever tried to make one of these. Never ever tried to make one. I should be able to do that, shouldn't I? That's really cool. I do love that. That's fantastic. Thank you. Oh dear, and I've got some nice fairy pieces. These are nice, aren't they? I have so many fairy pictures. Like I've got of what's her name? Shirley Barber. And I have a lot of her books because I've picked them up and people have gifted them to me. So I must make another fairy journal. Excuse me, they're beautiful. I'm going to have a mouthful of water Been talking too much. Okay, look at this. Isn't this beautiful? Oh, isn't that applique nice? So there's a little iron there that for iron it on. I'd be a bit worried about that. I suppose you put something over the top of it so you wouldn't hurt it, hey? Oh, I do like that. Oh, these are cool. They're on cardboard. Isn't that neat? I love a word. I do love a word and I do love a button. Look at these ones. I love the colour. Black and white. But you know what? I like to put a bit of, you get a bit of a marker of some sort, you know. And then you just let it bleed into the edge of it, the pencil, or just down in the corners here, and you make your flower coloured if you want to. That's really nice. Thank you so much. I do love them. And these ones, oh, look at that. There's one of them. There's a jar. What's the name? Jar. Beautiful things. And there's a bird. Oh, thank you so much for that. And I love the bag too. I do love the bag as well. So I've got some really nice things here. Thank you so very, very much. I really appreciate that. You sent me goodies as well. I didn't need to have goodies, but I do love goodies. Thank you very much. I really like them, Tamera, and thank you for your beautiful tag. It's absolutely lovely. Thank you. I do love these things. Thank you so much. And the card is here too. I did not show people the card. I think this is your card. It might be somebody else's. No, it's yours. Hopefully wouldn't have got it mixed up. That'd be a terrible thing to do, wouldn't it? She'd been a subby of mine for about 2 years, she said, so that is really good. And anybody can enter. It doesn't matter how long you've been a subscriber. I don't mind it. Whether it's been 6 years that I've been on here or, 6 weeks or whatever, So thank you very much, Tamera. And I'm sorry I could not get the original of me opening this because I didn't have the camera turned on. It'd be a good idea next time if I pay attention to that, won't it? So thank you everybody for watching, and thank you to Tamera, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.